In this problem, what we're looking for is how to solve for the interest rate in an annuity. So here's an example. You just had a child born, and what you want to do is save for their college education. So in 18 years, you want to have $100,000 saved for your child's education. If you are able to save $3,000 every year for the next 18 years, what interest rate must you get in order to get to that 100,000 mark? So what we do is we hit 18 and then N. IY again, that is the missing variable of what we're trying to solve for. So 0 is present value because right now we have 0 saved. And then 3,000 negative is going to be your payment because again, that is a cash outflow. 100,000 is your future value, and that's a positive number because you're getting that back at the end. So what we want to do is hit compute IY. And the answer is 6.79%. Now, very important to keep in mind, if you try to do compute and then IY and you get an error 5, what error 5 means on the TI BA2 Plus is that you probably did not put in your present value or your payment, whichever it calls for in the problem, as a negative. So that's very important. It means you probably didn't put in either your PV or your PMT as a negative. So just go double check that. So if you get the error 5 thing, don't freak out. That is what the issue is.